Is your communication on Upwork costing you clients? Clear, professional communication is what separates top freelancers from the rest. I'll cover the essential best practices. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. How you communicate builds, or breaks, client relationships. First, always use Upwork's message center for all project-related discussions. This creates a paper trail that protects both you and the client if any disputes arise. Second, be proactive. Don't wait for the client to check in. Send regular updates, even if it's just a quick heads up, I'm on track for Friday's deadline. A crucial pro tip: summarize key decisions in writing. After a video call or a long chat, send a quick message that says, just to confirm what we discussed, I'll be doing X, Y, and Z, with the first deliverable by Tuesday. This prevents costly misunderstandings. And just like that, you can communicate like a pro and keep your clients happy. Great communication is the glue that holds successful projects together. What's the most common communication mistake you see freelancers make? For your final question, subscribe for our next video on how to maintain a high response rate on Upwork. Thanks for watching.